Welcome to UP APO Target Series, Episode 18. Question 1. Choose the correct statement. 1. In criminal proceedings, the fact that the accused has a bad character is relevant unless evidence has been given that he has a good character, in which case it becomes irrelevant. 2. In civil cases, the fact that the character of any person is such as to affect the amount of damages which he ought to receive is irrelevant. Code A. Both statements are correct. B. Both statements are incorrect. C. Only one is correct. D. Only two is correct. Answer B. Explanation. Section 49. Previous bad character not relevant except in reply. In criminal proceedings, the fact that the accused has a bad character is irrelevant unless evidence has been given that he has a good character, in which case it becomes relevant. Section 50. Character as affecting damages. In civil cases, the fact that the character of any person is such as to affect the amount of damages which he ought to receive is relevant. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Question 2. As per Section 52 of BSA 2023, the court shall not take judicial notice of A. All laws in force in the territory of India. B. The seals of all courts and tribunals. C. The territory of India. D. None of the above. Answer D. Explanation. Section 52. Facts of which court shall take judicial notice. 1. The court shall take judicial notice of the following facts, namely A. All laws in force in the territory of India, including laws having extraterritorial operation. D. The seals of all courts and tribunals. I. The territory of India. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Question 3. In which chapter of BSA 2023 provision for oral evidence has been laid down? A. Chapter 4. B. Chapter 5. C. Chapter 3. D. Chapter 2. Answer A. Explanation. Chapter 4 of oral evidence. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 4. Under Section 26 of BSA 2023, statements of relevant facts made by a person who blank are relevant. A. Cannot be found. B. Is dead. C. Has become incapable of giving evidence. D. All of the above. Answer D. Explanation. Section 26. Cases in which statement of relevant fact by a person who is dead or cannot be found, etc. is relevant. Statements, written or verbal, of relevant facts made by a person who is dead or who cannot be found or who has become incapable of giving evidence or whose attendance cannot be procured without an amount of delay or expense which under the circumstances of the case appears to the court unreasonable are themselves relevant facts. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Question 5. Under Section 53 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, which of the following statements is true? A. Every fact, even if admitted, must be proved by documentary evidence. B. Admitted facts must be proved by oral evidence. C. Facts admitted by parties need not be proved unless the court directs otherwise. D. All facts must be proved regardless of admission. Answer C. Explanation. Section 53. Facts admitted need not be proved. No fact needs to be proved in any proceeding which the parties thereto or their agents agree to admit at the hearing, or which, before the hearing, they agree to admit by any writing under their hands, or which by any rule of pleading in force at the time, they are deemed to have admitted by their pleadings, provided that the court may, in its discretion, require the facts admitted to be proved otherwise than by such admissions. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 6. Which of the following is not presumed by the court under Section 90 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023? A. That an electronic message corresponds with the message fed into the originator's computer for transmission. B. That an electronic message was actually sent by the person in whose name it appears. C. That the email server properly forwarded the message to the addressee. Or D. That the message was received in the same form as sent. Answer B. Explanation. Section 90. Presumption as to electronic messages. The court may presume that an electronic message forwarded by the originator through an electronic mail server to the addressee to whom the message purports to be addressed corresponds with the message as fed into his computer for transmission, but the court shall not make any presumption as to the person by whom such message was sent. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Question 7. Under the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, the court shall presume the genuineness of an electronic or digital record purporting to be the official gazette if A. It is signed by the President of India, B. It is notarized by a public officer, C. It is kept substantially in the form required by law and is produced from proper custody, or D. It is certified by the High Court. Answer C. Explanation. Section 81. Presumption as to gazettes in electronic or digital record. The court shall presume the genuineness of every electronic or digital record purporting to be the official gazette or purporting to be electronic or digital record directed by any law to be kept by any person if such electronic or digital record is kept substantially in the form required by law and is produced from proper custody. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 8. A sale deed is required by law to be attested. During the trial, the attesting witness is present but denies having witnessed the execution. How can the execution be proved under the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023? A. The document becomes inadmissible. B. The other party must admit the document in writing. C. Execution may be proved by other evidence. D. The court must dismiss the suit. Answer C. Explanation. Section 70. Proof when attesting witness denies execution. If the attesting witness denies or does not recollect the execution of the document, its execution may be proved by other evidence. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 9. Which of the following sections of BSA 2023 states that contents of the document must be proved by primary evidence? A. Section 56, B. Section 57, C. Section 58, or D. Section 59. Answer D. Explanation. Section 59. Proof of documents by primary evidence. Documents shall be proved by primary evidence except in the cases hereinafter mentioned. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Practice question. Which of the following sections of the BSA 2023 deals with admissibility of electronic records? A. Section 64, B. Section 65, C. Section 63, or D. Section 66. Thanks for watching.